In today's video, I'll show you how to merge tickets in HubSpot, step by step, in a way that's easy to understand even if you're completely new to the platform. When customers contact support multiple times about the same issue, you can end up with duplicate or related tickets. Merging tickets helps you combine those conversations into one place so nothing gets missed and your support workflow stays clean and organized. Let's walk through how it works. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand menu. From there, click on CRM. A menu will open, and inside that menu, select Tickets. This is where all your support requests are stored. Now you'll see a list of tickets created by you or your team. Find the ticket you want to keep as the main ticket. This will be the primary record after the merge. Click on that ticket to open it. At the top of the ticket page, you'll see an Actions button. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, choose Merge. This tells HubSpot that you want to combine this ticket with another one. Next, HubSpot will ask you to select the second ticket. Look through your ticket list and choose the one that's related or duplicated. This ticket's information will be added to the main ticket you selected earlier. Once you've selected both tickets, confirm the merge. HubSpot will then combine them into a single ticket, keeping all relevant details, notes, and conversations together in one place. That's it! You've successfully merged tickets in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.